Are you planning to launch a new product on Amazon or reposition a product that you're already selling? Well, the first thing that you need to do is to have a well thought data driven process of product research and market analysis within your target niche. Now, let's just be concise. At the end of the day, succeeding on Amazon comes down to one absolute ingredient, and that is your product and how it stacks against your competition. Now, let me show you how you will have an edge over your competitor using DataHawk. DataHawk's product research within the market section enables you to reveal the potential of your product by mapping its competitive landscape and unveiling the addressable market. You can start by filtering our immense database of Amazon products with your criteria to learn the pricing trends of the category, the top products in your desired range, and know your required budget, and many other critical insights just like that. Now, to start with, you need to select the desired marketplace, for instance, the United States, and select the category within which you want to look for a product. The price and ratings filter on the right will allow you to filter on the basis of your desired range for each of these KPIs. So for instance, for the baby category, let's pick $10 to $500 for pricing and 200 to 700 for ratings. You can also choose the desired range for star ratings. So for instance, let's go from 2.1 to 5. And voila, you will see the total number of filtered products here and then not search to get your products list. And voila, here's your list of products according to your set criteria. You can track these products directly from here and add them to your desired projects on the platform. Additionally, you're also able to sort the list of your desired products according to ascending and descending order of pricings, ratings, and rating count to make your product research even more precise. Now, there are two very interesting features in this tool. The first one being the Amazon Prime section right below the pricings and ratings filter, so you can choose to only view the product that is Prime or exclude them or see them both as per your target approach. The second one being the search by keywords section right below the categories here, where you can fill in the keywords related to the type of product or products you're looking for. So for instance, for this one, let's go for baby clothes. Et voila! This will calculate the total number of products again and then launch search. You have your list of products derived from your set criteria. Isn't that exactly what you need for your product research? Well, DataHawk enables you to crack any market so your product can shine against your competition. Try DataHawk.